guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be making myself up again, and disclaimer, it's not a tutorial, it's just me trying my luck like I've always said in my previous videos. And yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you once again for tuning in. And yeah, if you're new, you might have to go through my old videos to understand what this video is all about and to see my improvements. And in my previous video I made myself up, but I was really bad at that one, and I took some corrections. I knew that there were some things I needed to do and some things I should not have done. And there was one major thing that was missing in that video, and that was beauty blender. I did not have it then. I was using my hand to blend my foundation, which is wrong. So in this video I have a beauty blender now, and that's what I'm going to be using to blend my foundation. And now it's time to get up close and personal. Let's get started. So guys, the first thing I'll be doing is to wipe my face with this tea tree cleansing wipes. I feel like using this kind of wipes are better for your face or your skin because they have these herbs and these organic contents that are good for the skin. Then the next thing I'll do is to apply my primer. It's a 3-in-1 primer. It's for priming, setting, and refreshing. So after that, I'm going to be damping my beauty blender with the wipe and just keeping it aside. Then I'll be applying my Maybelline foundation. So my hair was getting in the way and I had to just put it in a bun. Then now I'm spreading the foundation all over my face and blending it out with a beauty blender. God, I was so happy using this beauty blender because it really changed a lot. Because if you watched my previous videos, you'd see the difference. Here I'm applying my Zaron concealer. So I'll be blending it out, and I don't know, I just love this beauty blender because it's so natural and it blends so well. Now I'll be using my red lipsticks for contouring. I don't know, but I just love using this to contour because it gives me this natural look, you know. It's just, it serves as a blush, and I don't know why, but I just love using it to contour. If you watch closely, you see how it blends so well, so well with my skin. See guys, I was just so happy using this blender. So the next thing I'll be doing is to apply my setting powder. I've not really practiced this setting powder application very well yet, so I'm just doing it the way I used to see it. And I don't know if I'm doing it well or not, but anyway. So next thing I'll be doing is to draw my eyebrows, and the eyebrows is also challenging for me, but I'm getting used to it, and I prefer to have this natural looking brows. I don't know, I'm just so in love with the way most people do it. They make it look so natural.
So I just, you know, and now I'm concealing, concealing the eyebrows. I'm not so good at this. I'm just doing what I know how to do best, and now I'm blending it out. I made some mistakes there, but I just felt there's no need trying to correct anything, and I don't know. I was just so in love with this because it just gave me this full natural looking eyebrows, and I was just so happy, and I didn't want to go back to redoing anything. I wouldn't want to waste time. And I had to apply concealer over my eyelid just to, serve as a primer. Since now I'll be applying my Meet Matte Luscious eyeshadow. I'm going for the very light color because I just want to, wear this natural, really natural look. I'm not really a fan of eyeshadows. That's why I mostly go for this very light colors. But soon I'll be trying other colors just to see how they look. And now I'm blending my setting powder with the beauty blender because I don't know, I saw it somewhere and I loved how it blended so well. So I just decided to try it instead of using a brush. And you know how brushes could spread the powder and just, cause this uneven look all over the place. That's why I had to use the beauty blender. Now the next thing I'm doing is to apply my eyeliner, and I am going for this really light looking eyeliner. Like, I don't want to I just want this makeup to be simple as possible and not too bold. And I don't want to make mistakes like I did in my previous videos. And now I'm calling my eyelash with the lash curler because I don't want to put on an eyelash here, and I'm just substituting. So I'm applying my mascara, and I love how this mascara adds volume to my eyelashes. I just love it. I don't know why, but it's really cool. And now I'm doing my lower lashes. I had to take time to practice this lower lash stuff because sometimes they're very tricky and they can mess things up if you're not careful. So I'm going to be lining my lips, and just like I did in my previous video, but this time I'm doing it well and better, and I'm blending it out with the beauty blender too. Now I applied my lipstick, and just recreating, being creative, trying to bring out this look, this really natural look. So at this point I was loving what I was seeing because wow. So now what I'll be doing is to apply my bronzer. I'm not so good at applying this one too, but I'm trying my best, I'm blending it out with the beauty blender. I don't know, I'm just so obsessed with the beauty blender. So now I'll be applying my lip gloss, and my lip gloss is a matte gloss. It's not sticky and I love it so much. Now it's time to set. And there we go. So guys, that's it.
So yes guys, so that's it guys. I hope you've seen the improvements. I noticed some improvements in my makeup, and I think using a blender, a beauty blender, is very necessary because guys, it changed a whole lot of things, and I'm so proud. The fact that I'm not putting on an eyelash is a huge difference, and I'm not putting on an eyelash because I just don't know how to fix it and I don't want to mess things up. That's why I just left it out. But for today, I am loving the makeup. So guys, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and then don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.